Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about internet settings on your Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to disable AirPlay mode on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on show hidden icons. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your AirPlay mode. Then go ahead and click on open network and internet settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for AirPlay mode right here. Then here you go. What you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply turn off this particular button right here. Once you turn off AirPlay mode, your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, everything that need to be connected on your PC will start working. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about internet settings on your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.